At Sutter Instrument, each product is an evolution of ideas. Maybe a customer asks for a particular instrument, or the natural progression of technology warrants it, or sometimes there's just an aha moment. But it starts with an idea. Every instrument is designed and built at our 51,000 square foot facility in California's Bay Area. Many of our personnel work in R&D to start developing schematics and prototypes of the instrument. Code is written in-house specifically for each instrument, and our specialized team designs the circuit boards themselves. Each step of the way, models are tested and design reworked until it matches our rigorous quality standards. At last, a design is perfected. The instrument is now ready for production. At the center of our process is our 15,000 square foot machine shop, which fabricates many of the individual pieces. Everything is done right here, carefully supervised to ensure precision and quality. Every instrument is put together accurately and efficiently and tested for quality numerous times at every step before being shipped. Ready to come to your lab, products are packed with care and safety in mind. Now your instrument is ready to be used for whatever research needs it. But the process doesn't end here. The very same people who designed your instrument and our expert office staff are ready to answer any questions you may have. Sutter representatives also travel year-round for scientific shows, meetings, and demonstrations. When you choose Sutter, you aren't just choosing random parts and machines. You're choosing decades of expertise to help you achieve your goals. You're choosing Sutter Instrument.